Hello viewers, and welcome to Home Reviews. Are you looking for the top 5 best weight benches for your home gym in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best weight benches for your home gym in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your home gym with the Flybird Adjustable Bench, a versatile utility weight bench designed for full-body workouts. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, this bench offers exceptional stability and durability for beginners and advanced users alike. The multi-position backrest allows easy adjustment to incline, decline, and flat positions, making it perfect for bench presses, dumbbell workouts, core exercises, and strength training routines. Its ergonomic padding provides superior comfort and proper support, reducing strain during intense sessions. The foldable design saves space and allows convenient storage, ideal for small apartments or home gyms. With a secure locking mechanism and non-slip feet, it ensures safety and balance during every workout. Easy to assemble and use, this sleek black bench blends functionality with modern design. Whether you aim to build muscle, improve endurance, or stay fit at home, this multi-purpose incline bench delivers reliable performance and long-lasting workout support. It is an excellent choice for strength training, rehabilitation exercises, and daily fitness routines, offering adjustable comfort and dependable construction for consistent, effective, and safe workouts every single day at home easily. Number 2. Transform your home fitness routine with the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench, a versatile solution designed for full-body strength training. Built with a durable steel frame and high-density padding, this bench delivers stability, comfort, and long-lasting performance for every workout session. Its adjustable backrest supports incline, decline, and flat positions, allowing you to target chest, shoulders, arms, core, and legs with precision. The foldable design makes it perfect for compact spaces, enabling easy storage when not in use without sacrificing functionality. Anti-slip feet enhance safety and balance, while the ergonomic cushioning reduces strain during intense lifts and exercises. Whether you're performing bench presses, dumbbell workouts, sit-ups, or resistance training, this utility bench adapts to your routine seamlessly. Quick assembly and user-friendly adjustments ensure you spend less time setting up and more time training. Ideal for beginners and experienced fitness enthusiasts alike, the Yoleo Adjustable Weight Bench turns any home into an efficient personal gym for consistent, effective workouts every single training day. Number 3. Upgrade your home workouts with the Nice People Basic Weight Bench, designed for versatility, durability, and comfort. Featuring 8 adjustable backrest positions, this bench allows you to perform a wide range of exercises including bench presses, incline presses, shoulder workouts, arm training, and core strengthening with ease. Whether you're targeting chest, shoulders, arms, or full body muscles, it adapts seamlessly to your fitness routine. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame and a robust 660 pounds weight capacity, this bench offers exceptional stability and safety during intense training sessions. The high-density foam padding and ergonomic design provide superior support and reduce muscle fatigue, ensuring a comfortable workout experience every time. Its foldable and compact structure makes it perfect for small spaces and home gyms, allowing easy storage when not in use. Quick assembly and user-friendly adjustments make it suitable for beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts alike. With the Nice People Basic Weight Bench, you get a reliable, space-saving, and multifunctional workout companion for effective strength training at home. Number 4. Upgrade your home gym with the Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench, engineered for strength, versatility, and comfort. Built with an ASTM-Certified 800 pounds weight capacity, this durable workout bench supports intense strength training, from bench presses and dumbbell routines to core exercises. Its adjustable FID design ranges from 90 degrees upright to -30 degrees decline, allowing you to target multiple muscle groups with precision and proper form. The extended 30-inch backrest provides full spine support, making it ideal for taller users and extended sessions. Crafted with high-density padding and premium leather, it ensures stability and comfort during every rep. The foldable structure makes storage quick and convenient, perfect for compact spaces or home gyms. With a secure locking system and reinforced steel frame, safety and performance are never compromised. Designed for easy assembly and long-term durability, it is the perfect choice for anyone seeking a sturdy, adjustable, and space-efficient bench to elevate daily strength and fitness workouts at home with confidence. Number 5. Mikolo 1200 lb Weight Bench is a versatile, heavy-duty training solution designed for serious home gym users who value strength, comfort, and space efficiency. Built with a reinforced steel frame and a 1,200-pound weight capacity, it delivers exceptional stability during intense workouts, from bench presses to core exercises. The adjustable backrest supports incline, flat, and decline positions, allowing you to target multiple muscle groups with ease. Its detachable leg support enhances versatility for training and lower body workouts, while the high-density padding ensures comfort and reduces strain during long sessions. The ergonomic design keeps your posture aligned for safer, more effective performance. Designed for convenience, the bench features vertical storage capability, making it perfect for compact spaces and modern home gyms. Non-slip feet provide added safety and floor protection, while quick adjustment mechanisms allow seamless transitions between exercises. Whether you are a beginner or advanced lifter, this durable and space-saving workout bench delivers reliability, functionality, and professional-level training support in one smart design. It is ideal for strength training, bodybuilding, and full-body workouts at home with confidence and lasting durability.